Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong love reading for January 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see Capricorn, how's your love life ngayong January for Capricorn? Wow, the Empress. Yung iba, you are expecting a baby. Oh, pwede ring may mabubuntis, makakabuntis. So, just take whatever resonates. I also see some people admiring you. So, maraming interested in you. Parang nag-aaway-away pa sila dahil sa yung attention. No? Para lang sa yung attention. Okay, tinan pa natin. Ooh, okay. So, possible na meron ditong conflict with someone because of having a baby, no? Pwede kasi itong complicated situation na alam mo na, pwedeng third party situation. Pwede ring iba sa inyo nalaman ng family yung nangyari and hindi nila to tinatanggap ng mapayapa. Oo. So, some of you are fighting this battle on your own or by yourself. With the Nine of Pentacles here, I see responsibilities. No? So, you are being responsible for your actions. And I think, you know what you want. And alam mo yung gusto mo. Okay? And you will take responsibility for your actions. Oh, okay. You have the Seven of Swords. Meron ditong someone is pwedeng merong conflict with someone because of cheating, trust issues. Pwedeng isa sa pinag-aawayan. I don't know, no? Mixed energies yung nakukuha ko. Merong involvement dito ng pregnancy ng isang tao na naging dahilan ng pag-aaway ng isang magkarelasyon na itinago sa kanya. Ano ba yan? Madrama. Oo. And I think kung sino man tong niloko, no, who was cheated on, tinatry niya na maging maayos yung sarili niya. Bumabangon siya. So, if this is you, Capricorn, it's an experience na minsan kailangan natin pagdaanan para mas matuto tayo. Pa natin. You're projecting your own fears and limitations to me. Go within to understand that you are seeing yourself, not me. Karmic ties. I'm feeling controlled by people around me and I don't like it. It's pushing me to find my power again. Oh, ayun na. It seems na meron dito na nagkaanak or nabuntis na hindi gusto ng partner niya. It's somehow creating conflict sa relationship. Pwede kasing may involvement din ng ibang tao rito. Pwedeng may nakikialam sa mga desisyon. And medyo magulo. Kasi merong itinago rito eh. Yung tipong lalabas na merong nang betray sa'yo because merong itinago sa'yo. May mga ginawa nang hindi mo alam. No? May mga ginawa sa, tawag nun, behind your back. No? Nang hindi mo alam. I see you working to create change and I'm proud of what you are accomplishing. I want to work on mission with you. So parang rito, ang tingin sa relationship na to is parang maayos na sana, no? Things are doing well, kaya lang pwedeng merong isang instant na nag-trigger ng isang problema na dati pa, kaya na bring up uli yun, and it is creating drama in your connection. I can't fully be there for you as long as this other person is in my life. Meron talagang third party situation dito. I know it's hard for you, but I have to go through this experience in order to heal it. When we're talking, things just come out of my mouth, and afterward, I'm not even sure why I said it. So, meron talagang nasaktan sa mga sinabi. Oo, may mga pag-aaway, mga masasamang salita na nasabi sa isa't isa. Medyo magulong away. Meron bang maayos na away? So medyo dramatic yung nangyari. May basta ang nakikita ko dito, may involvement ng ibang tao, may involvement ng pregnancy, merong itinago na para protektahan ng yung isang tao. So, just take whatever resonates. Where's this relationship going? I see you freeing yourself in this situation. I think hahanapin mo ulit yung sarili mo. You want to build a stable life, a stable career. Mas magpo-focus ka sa finances mo para hindi mo kailanganin yung ibang tao financially. It might be quite painful para sa iba sa inyo, but you have the strength that you need Para sa'yo, mas importante na you are in control of your life and you are not at mercy ng ibang tao. Yung tipong kahit anong desisyon na gawin mo, magagawa mo. Kasi ikaw yung may control sa buhay mo. Express love through gifts. Get to know each other. I think you've learned, nalaman mo, nakilala mo tong taong na to, yung totoong ugali niya. At least, yung iba sa inyo, medyo too late na nung nakilala nyo. But at least, nakilala nyo yung totoong siya. Kasi pwede ritong may panluloko. And for you, you're still choosing to love yourself, of course. Mas importante sa'yo ngayon yung sarili mo. Yun yung uunahin mo na ngayon. Parang gusto mo muna ng katahimikan, gusto mo muna umalis doon sa gulo ng sitwasyon na meron ka para makapag-isip ka, para mas maplano mo yung future mo, yung direction na tatahakin mo. Okay? So, this is your reading. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.